Hello. How is everyone? What a day. My name is Melissa Carter, and I'm the Associate Director of Global Spiritual Life and the Head of Mindfulness Programming and Education here at NYU.
Hi there. Oh, thank you. Hi, my name is YAEL Shai, and I'm the Senior Director of Global Spiritual Life and Mindful NYU.
We feel very honored to be here to lead you through a meditation and experience that we hope will be meaningful and to maybe ground back into our bodies after a long day. We took the Sim Shalom prayer, a prayer that, if I remember correctly from Temple, is said after the Amidah in the Ashkenazic community, and in the Sephardic community is said at most prayer services. And wanting to give a homage to mindfulness as the mindfulness people, the loving kindness meditation, a Buddhist meditation. And we combined them both to celebrate mindfulness within Jewish culture and religion. So we're going to lead you through something. If it's available to you and you'd like to participate, I invite you to put your feet on the floor. If it's available and you feel comfortable, to close your eyes. And to begin to notice your body breathing. Notice the breath in the body.
Just by noticing, can you begin to soften as you breathe? Letting go of anything extra that you don't need right now, any extra tension in the shoulders, in the jaw. Softening the muscles of the face. Relaxing into your seat.
As we move from noticing to intentional breathing, I invite you to take a deep inhale in through the nose and back out through the nose. Continuing to breathe deeply throughout this experience, in through the nose and out through the nose. And letting any distractions pass by just like a cloud with no judgment. I invite you to envision a chair in front of you of someone you absolutely love, who you can be your whole self with, who when you see them, you just relax. They bring you nothing but joy and acceptance and make your heart go on fire. While you envision them, focusing on them through your breath, sending them this intention. May the tour of life be the lessons you walk. May the light of your face spread love and kindness. May you be praised with mercy and peace throughout your days. May you feel the blessing of your presence in those you touch just by being you.
I now invite you to let this person go and envision a chair to the left of you. Imagine that person to the left of you, maybe it's not even an imagination, could be someone that you feel a little neutral about, someone you don't know so well. Maybe someone that you met at this conference that you don't know, or someone from your life that you don't feel any strong feelings. Continue to deepen the breath and see from that same heart that you wished to that person you love, if you can wish the following intention. May you be blessed with peace. Picturing them, may you be blessed with joy. From your heart to theirs, may you be blessed with compassion. May you be blessed with love.
Deep inhale in, deep exhale out. And leaving this person in this chair, now imagining a chair to the right of you. Someone maybe you find difficulty with. Someone maybe you're having some contention with. And while you deepen the breath, may you offer them this intention. To the best of my ability, I wish you that the Torah of life be the lessons you walk. To the best of my ability, I wish the light of your face spread love and kindness. To the best of my ability, I wish you praise with mercy and peace. To the best of my ability, I wish you the blessing of knowing your own presence in those you touch just by being you.
Now, leaving that person for a moment and going to the people behind you, imagining chairs arrayed behind you. And in those chairs are your community, your neighbors, of the kind of neighbors that was just spoken about. The people that hold you up, that support you in good and bad. Imagine for all of them, in all of those chairs, may you be blessed with peace. May you be blessed with joy. May you be blessed with compassion. May you be blessed with love.
Taking a deep inhale in and letting it out. Envisioning those chairs rippling out, the communities that those people touch, and the communities that they touch, and they touch, and they touch. More and more chairs surrounding you. Deepening the breath, offering this intention. May the tour of life be the lessons you walk. May the light of your face spread love and kindness. May you be praised with mercy and peace. May you feel the blessing of your presence in those you touch. Deep breath in. Exhale out. I invite you now, pulling all these offerings and blessings and wishes, placing a hand on your heart, deepening your breath, claiming your agency and impact. And may it all start with me. May I be blessed with peace. May I be blessed with joy. May I be blessed with compassion. May I be blessed with love. May the light of my face spread love and kindness. May the Torah of life be the lessons I speak and walk. May I be praised with mercy and peace. And may I spread Adonai's grace and love for the message of my life. May it start with me.
May it start with me.
May it start with me.
Taking another breath, releasing your hand when it feels comfortable, and gently opening our eyes when we're ready and bringing our attention back into the room. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Blessings.